so suddenly you poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. 'Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the one and pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. Feel how the rain is pouring. I'm at you like a hurricane. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. To circle the other, as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Growing altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. getting higher just to feel ya, 'cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion just to feel ya, 'cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that I think I'm overdosing. I think that I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. It's getting stronger, can't take no longer. Walking on fire, I'm getting higher just to feel ya, 'cause I need to. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion just to feel ya, 'cause I need ya. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
Wanna be all saints, trying hard to be someone else. All we want is please, giving us, giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. We can't help, we're gone. This is our identity. See how everything fades away. All the people you love begin to die. You forget how precious memories are. I'm a renegade, walking through the fire, with a heart of steel, a burning desire. I'm the voice of the voiceless, the misunderstood. With fearless conviction, I rise as I should, breaking down walls. Let's challenge the norms. Trying to change something, you trying to change. Realize that you can do nothing. You cannot escape the death, even it makes you afraid. You should show respect. I just want to be myself. Don't talk to nobody else. I want to be someone special. I don't want to be a typical person. To get away from my devil, to start from fresh with a fundamental. I feel it right. I feel it right. I feel it right. I feel it right. I'm learning how to be a better version of you, and now I realize I'm talking to myself. Doesn't really need to be forever. Doesn't make you feel better. I feel it right. I feel it right. I feel it right. I feel it right. Wanna feel it. say nothing when you told me that I am not around. I couldn't say nothing if only I made it out of town. Or I could've said hi for a minute now. Your lies I can't forget about. Hi for a minute now. Oh my, we've been fucking all night, yeah. Alright, I've been feeling alright. This time you won't get to my heart, yeah. This time I'ma get what is mine. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Empty, thinking about the ways you like, yeah. Baby, I don't really ask for much. Crazy how you only want the fire. I swear to God, 'cause I had enough. Tell me to stop, but I had enough. You know why we're broken up. Oh, I could've say nothing when you told me that I am not around. I could've say nothing if only I made it out of town. Or I could've said hi for a minute now. Your lies I can't forget about. Hi for a minute now. Or I could've say nothing when you told me that I am not around. I could've say nothing if only I.
I'm so cold, yeah, my heart's sinking like a stone. Cold, I'm so cold, yeah, my heart's sinking like a stone.
go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. Adventure.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. If it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing.
street light at the end so I could show you you're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you you're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Lay on the carpet, eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it, I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end so I could show you you're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you you're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're glowing. Golden. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end so I could show you golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. You're golden. Golden. You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. this fantasy world I put you in me in. I cover up both my ears, 'cause I know, baby, it's working. It's working. Never shake you off. You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. Never shaking you off. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you. Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. It's karma. It's okay to hurt your voice screaming in my face. I know you gotta bark when you don't got bite. Tell me, what's that like? What's that like? Being that insecure, acting up, immature. Had enough, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. You know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. Now you got hurt 'cause you made me. Yeah, you know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. You only got hurt 'cause you made me bored. It's karma. It's karma. Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You'll see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. Snip, snip, cutting your bullshit with a plot twist. Don't waste my time, I don't do toxic. I see you looking at me like she's so sweet. She's so nice, I can do what I like, right? Did I make you cry? I forgot that you're right. You know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. You now you got hurt 'cause you made me. Yeah, you know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. You only got hurt 'cause you made me bored. It's karma. It's karma. It's karma. Snip, 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 snip. I'm so bored.
For my love to know how I feel. All the nights I feel so alone. you're misunderstood. Nothing matters, that's drawn back to whatever. I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, I think about you right now. All I want is you back in my life. I think you're misunderstood.
I get the shivers whenever I'm thinking about you. Just wanna leave and live without you. Be on my own again. I get the shivers whenever you go out of line, yeah. I feel it creeping down my spine, yeah. Wanna be alone again. Right, I'm scared to death. Scared of your eyes looking into my eyes. Scared that I'll back out and hold my breath. Wake up one morning and see your face. I can feel it coming back.